Hello everyone, this is June 11 question, paper 1-1 and the question number is 13. Let me write it here. June 11, paper 1-1. It's concerned with the chapter periodicity. The reason why I did this question is the examiner report states 61% of candidates who sat for this exam got this question wrong. So here we will see how to get it right. The question reads 0.02 mole of aluminium is burned in oxygen and the product is reacted with 2 mole per dm cube concentration of hydrochloric acid. What minimum volume of hydrochloric acid will be required for complete reaction? So we need to construct two equations here. The first will be aluminium is burned in oxygen. The product will be aluminium oxide. The questions regarding reactions between aluminium and oxygen are frequently asked in paper 2 and 4 as well, so it will be quite helpful to remember the ratios here. So it will be 2 here, 3 and 4. The equation is balanced. 0.02 mole of aluminium burned in oxygen and the product is reacted with hydrochloric acid. We have product as aluminium oxide. So reaction between aluminium oxide and hydrochloric acid should give us dimer of aluminium chloride Al2Cl6 and water. Balancing this equation, we have 6 chlorine atoms here, so 6 and 3. The equation is balanced. Now going to the numbers, 0.02 mole of aluminium is burned in oxygen and the product. So we need to find out the moles of product. 4 moles of aluminium gives 2 moles of aluminium oxide. So 0.02 mole of aluminium should give us 0.01 mole of aluminium oxide. The question then states product is reacted with this concentration of hydrochloric acid. So now we need to find the moles of hydrochloric acid as well for the calculation of volume. 0.01 mole of Al2O3 and reaction between HCl gives us this product. So 1 mole of Al2O3 gives 6 moles of HCl. And 0.01 mole from here, 0.01 mole of Al2O3 should give us 0.06 moles of HCl. So our moles of HCl is 0.06. We have been given the concentration and now it's easy to find the volume using the formula. Concentration of HCl is moles of HCl divided by its volume. Volume, let's say V for easier purposes. Volume would be moles of HCl, which is 0.06, divided by its concentration, which is 2.00. Now calculating this, we'll get divide by 2, it should be 0.03 dm cube. Dm cube, because we have been given concentration in dm cube, mole per dm cube. So as all the answers are in cm cube, converting this into cm cube, we'll get the volume as 30 cm cubes, making the correct answer C.